Hey there, quick update. We've refactored the Explorer view. So now it's more Jupyter-like notebook view, and you can use the whole Explorer view using just the keyboard. If you don't want to, you don't need to be forced to it. You can also, it has a pretty good usability by just clicking around and writing the queries you need. Okay. But if you are kind of a power dev user that's like in love with Jupyter and all that stuff, you can press interrogation mark and find all the shortcuts that you need. Also, we have introduced an AI assistant, so it can help you write the queries that you need. For example, let me see, get me all the metric names for my project. Okay, and then it writes the query, and then you can find everything that you need. Okay, we also have now a bit more information on the left, on the records. You have all the possible columns you have access, metrics, and also the functions that you can use on your Explorer view. Okay, thank you.